So here's a quick one before we get started here that I want to help you with the homework. I noticed there's some misconceptions going on, misconception. So let's go ahead and help you with that. So this is on the solving absolute value functions. This year's 1.2, might change next year. So that's 1.2, solving absolute value functions. So specifically, we've got to do, here's 19 and 20. And you have to make sure specifically that you do Pemdas backwards. You know what Pemdas backwards is? So that's called SADMEP, right? SADMEP. So that's subtraction, addition, then we take a look at division and multiplication, and then exponential, like x squared and parentheses. So make sure you do subtraction, addition first. Write this on your notes, write this on your homework, write it down. So subtraction, addition first in solving these, and then division, multiplication, right? How come? Because remember, you have to isolate the absolute value function first before you split it into two equations, okay? So write it down, we're on 19 right now, so 9 plus 9, absolute value of x minus 1 equals 27. So before we can split it into two equations, whoa, lightsabers. So before we can split into our two equations, we do need to first minus the 9 over to the other side. You get 18, okay? Then, next to the absolute value is also a 9. It's being multiplied, right? Multiplied. So we need to divide it. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to divide it. So divide by 9. Divide, right? Divide by 9. And so now we have x minus 1, the absolute value, is equal to 18 divided by 9 is 2. So now you can split it into two equations. X minus 2 equals 2. And I am your father. No! Darth Vader. So now we can split it into x minus 2 equals 2. And x minus 2, x minus 1 equals 2. And x minus 1 equals negative 2. That's supposed to be 1 there. Okay, so we take our equation and split into 2. X minus 1 equals 2, and x minus 1 equals negative 2. Cool. So then we can go ahead and solve and get our solutions now. And so you're simply going to add 1 to the other side. So we get x equals 3 as one of our answers. And we're going to add 1 to the other side, add 1 to the other side, and we get a negative 1 as our other solution. So there's our two solutions. But Mr. Mutable, what if I did it the wrong way? What if I did it the wrong way? What if I did division first? Well, you're going to cry. You're going to cry because you did it the wrong way. What do you mean? You'll see. So let's take the same equation for a moment. Okay, ignore number 20 for now. Do that, practice that on your own. Give that a try. And let's do 9 again, plus 9. X minus 1. I'm just showing you, you don't have to write this down, I'm just showing you what happens if you don't do it correctly. And so if you go ahead and divide by 9 first, which is incorrect because it's attached to the plus 9, but if you did that, you would get 3, right? Because 27 divided by 9 is 3. Then when you go to minus the 9, you get 3 minus the 9, and 3 minus 9 is negative 6. What the? Can you have an absolute value ever spit out, ever equal a negative 6? No, because every number you plug in, it's going to become positive and never negative. Ever, ever, ever be negative. Never. Ooh, you never get back together. What else with these? So never, not going to work. Does not work. So, right, does not work. So make sure that you don't do it this way. No, that's not going to work. You got to go ahead and minus the 9 first. And then, second place, then, secondly, then you're going to divide. So add and subtract first, right? Add and subtract first, and then divide and multiply second. Cool. So practice number 20 next, and get this assignment done for next time. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Bye, guys.